All right, Friday morning. Good morning, Friday. We did it almost. Let's take a look at what I have looking at modules and then under our week 7 calendar. Today is Friday. So you have this quiz. So you just click on the quiz worksheet and you need to complete that before 4 p.m. this afternoon. You'll click right there and then fill that out using your stylus and then upload that file. After which, that should probably take you about 20 minutes, really, if you did the practice. After which, you should work on the review for Monday. We'll go over that review Monday, and then we will test over matter and atomic structure on Tuesday. That review, again, is just a file that you download. And you can see it's about the chemical, physical changes, substances versus mixtures, homo versus hetero, and then filling out some of those charts again, dealing with all the different particles of the atom. All right, let's do a few practice fill-ins from that puzzle page from last night. And then I'll send you guys on your way to complete that. So remember, the thing about this is that it's not linear. You can't just go down this like you're answering questions like number 1, number 2. Can't do that. So let's see what we've got here. We've got F and Z is done, W and V and G, RBY, LE, and USX. So that gives us let's try ODS here. So it says, D is an element that needs 3 electrons to become stable. Well, remember 3 electrons are lost from group 3A. But to gain 3 electrons, you want to get to 8. So what plus 3 equals 8? That would be 5. So that means that D is going to be here. And since D is with O and F, that means that O and F are going to be. So S has 18 more protons in its nucleus than D. So that means it's going to be below D. Let's see, O has an atomic number that is 1 more than A. So if we know where A is, then that means we know where O is. So O has 1 more atomic number than A. Remember, the atomic number is the number of protons. So there's O. And since S has 18 more protons in its nucleus than D, that means S has to be below D. Easy enough. Well, let's try this one. We have T. So that means we know H and M have to go somewhere here. It says H has the smallest atomic number in its group. And since H has the smallest atomic number in its group and T is in the 4th period, that means the only place for H to go is right here. I'm sorry, M to go is right here. So if we take a look, remember, if they're in these groups, that means that they're in the same column. There's the completed table, so you can check your answers with that. It's also in the calendar. Oops, there you go. It's also in the calendar. And for the back, that's a basic review of like that, what element am I? You can take a look there. The answers are also in the calendar as well. Cool. So then make sure you just go to the calendar and click on Friday's September 11th quiz. And then you should be able to submit that today by 4 p.m. You're more than welcome to go off and do that. and have a great Friday and a great weekend.